How to add notes to Instagram Reels. So Instagram has introduced a new feature allowing users to add notes to their Reels. This feature enables creators to include text-based notes directly within their Reel videos. This feature is designed to make Reels more informative and engaging, catering to both creators and viewers alike. So let's see how you can add notes to the Reels. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, head over to your Reel section. Search for the Reel video that you want to add the notes. Let's say I want to add the notes to this Reel video. In order to do so, tap on the share icon over here. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see the option where it says Add Note. Click on it. Now you have to enter the note that you want to add. Now click on this little down icon. In here, it says share with followers you follow back or the close friends. You can personally choose if you want to share it with your followers you follow back or only with your close friends. Let me select this option, close friends, and then tap on done. Now tap on share. There you go, the notes has been shared to this Reel video. Likewise, you can add notes to any of the Reel video that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add notes to Instagram Reels. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.